Let's head on into the kitchen, shall we? This North African classic is sure to impress any dinner guest with its vibrant flavors and aromatic spices. Firstly, gather 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Season them generously with salt and pepper. This will form the base of our tagine. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven on medium-high heat. Once the oil is heated, it's time to brown the chicken. Add the chicken, skin side down, and allow each side to cook until it's golden brown, which should take about 5 minutes per side. Once browned, remove the chicken and set it aside. Now, in the same pot, add 1 large finely chopped onion and 3 minced garlic cloves. Cook these over medium heat until they begin to soften. This usually takes around 5 minutes. After the onion and garlic have softened, it's time to add our spices. 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin and ground ginger, half a teaspoon each of ground turmeric and ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Of course, you can adjust the cayenne to your taste. Stir these for another minute until the spices have released their aromatic fragrances. Now, return the chicken to the pot and add 1 cup of chicken broth. Bring this to a simmer, cover the pot, and reduce the heat to low. Let the chicken cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's tender and fully cooked. Once the chicken is tender, stir in 1 cup of pitted green olives and 2 rinsed and thinly sliced preserved lemons. Cover the pot again and let everything cook for an additional 10 minutes. This will allow all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Finally, the piece de resistance: sprinkle your beautiful tagine with a handful of chopped fresh cilantro and parsley before serving. Typically, chicken tagine is served with couscous or crusty bread, perfect for soaking up all that delicious sauce. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making a delicious chicken tagine with olives and preserved lemons. A dish that's not only bursting with flavor but also steeped in tradition. So, why not give it a try? You might just discover your new favorite recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more great recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!